Interface considers ruggedization as force measurement solutions designed and fabricated for use in extreme environments and applications. The ability to operate within accuracy specifications while withstanding one or more environmental stresses or harsh conditions. Interface's various transducers, instrumentation and accessories are designed to withstand environmental stresses and harsh conditions in every industry, including maritime, aerospace, food packaging, consumer products, construction, medical devices and automotive. Interface also customizes specialized sensor solutions to meet your exact needs and specifications, which can transmit data through submersible environments. The top factors when evaluating test and measurement products used in extreme environments, such as exposure to high or low temperatures, depth of submersion, moisture and water concerts, dust, and other harsh conditions. Our products have been used for material testing, high and low temperature environments, structural and fatigue tests, high cycle count tests, any test for products' exposure to moisture or humidity, pressure tests, as well as underwater and in fluid tests. With years of experience in collaborating with companies around the world, Interface can provide the best force measurement products for your ruggedized and submersible applications.